Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I will show you exactly how to program your DirecTV RC73 remote directly to your TV. It takes just a few seconds, so let's get started. First, make sure your TV and DirecTV receiver are turned on. Point your remote towards the receiver. Now, press and hold the mute button and the enter button at the exact same time. Keep holding them until you see the green light at the top of the remote. Blink twice. Your TV screen will show applying IRRF setup. This means your remote is now synced to the receiver. Next, to control your TV's volume and power, press the menu button. Go to Settings and Help, then select Settings. Choose Remote Control and then Program Remote. Just select your TV brand from the list and follow the easy on-screen instructions. By the way, which TV brand are you pairing this with? Samsung, LG or Vizio? Let me know in the comments below. If this helped, please hit that like button.